Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. This is Chisomibi, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can claim a $50 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. Okay, so if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I put up a new video. Yes, so the market is currently on break. This is weekend, but from on Monday, you'll be able to claim your bonus. So let's get into the video as I show you how to go about it. And the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. So do well to claim the bonus.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so for you to get the link, you just go to the description below. Then you're going to see something like this. Claim your funded account here, or claim your no deposit bonus here, or claim the bonus right here. Yes, so you just click on the link that you see there. Okay, so it's going to bring you over to my Telegram channel. As you can see it, this is what you're going to go through. This is what you're going to see. So to bring you over to my Telegram channel, so that is where you're going to get the link. Yeah, so this is my Telegram channel, and that is where you're going to see the link. Can you get it? Yes, so that's how to access the link. And you can also join my Telegram community for more updates. So this is what the site looks like. Okay, so we are going to be registering first. So click on register. Yes, for those that don't have an account, you have to register first. Then it's going to bring you over to this interface where you are going to be opening a real account. Yes, so my country is Nigeria. Then I'm going to be inputting my email address right here. Then I'll click on register. So let me do that. Okay, so I've done that already, and I'm also going to continue the registration by imputing my first name, my last name, and you can see the trading platform MetaTrader 5. Then the account type is classic, the currency is USD, and the leverage is 1:2000. Okay, yes, so after imputing your details, then you're just going to click on finish registration. Okay, so let me do that. And click on finish registration. Yes, so they are thanking me for registering, and I am to activate my personal account. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my email right now to activate my account. Okay, so this is my email. I'm just going to click on login to client area. Yes, so I've gotten my trading account details. Okay, so I'm just going to go over to my MT5 to log in so that I can claim the bonus. So let's do that. So I'm right here. I'm going to be inputting the name of the broker, which is Forex. This is it right here. So I'm just going to click on it. Then I'm going to be inputting my login ID, my password. After doing that, I'll just click on login. I already have the server here, Forex MT5. Okay, so after that, I'm just going to click on login. So let's do that. Okay, so I've done that already, and I've gotten the $50 no deposit bonus, as you can see it right here. Okay, so regarding the terms and conditions, we have them right here. Yes, as you can see, the bonus is still available from May 15th to August 31st, 2025. Okay, so the trading bonus is valid for 14 calendar days. Yes. Then the profits transfer is based on your trading volume, $10 per one closed lot. Then your transferred profits moves from credit to your actual account balance. Okay, so the profits are withdrawable. Yes, so these are the terms and conditions. You can go through them. You can go through them. Yes, you can go through them. So they said you can use a special promo code inside your client area to activate the bonus. There are two ways of activating the bonus, or there are two ways of claiming the bonus, but I didn't make use of the promo code. I used the other way. Okay, so you can use anyone. So these are the terms and conditions. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.